Welcome back, Freedom Savers. The portfolio updates will be very quick this week because I'm not depositing any money, so nothing's really happening in them other than just the market value changing. This is the Crazy Aggressive Dividends portfolio. Current value is at $1,646.70. I have $9.17 in cash, and $7.33 of that is from dividends. So we're almost at the $10 mark where it's going to reinvest on its own. And as you know, I'm not depositing anything because I'm trying to pay off the credit cards. So yeah. Anyways, over to the spreadsheet. $1646.70 is our current value with $917 in cash. We've only deposited $1,505, which means we're up $141.70 or 9.42%. Pretty good. Dividend wise, we have earned $6.69 plus $10-ish because of the portfolio reset that M1 did on me. But anyways, we're up to $6.69 since the reset. We have been paid $4.96 in February. We've been paid a total of $11.35 in 2019. Dividend changes, there's been one dividend change this week. ARCC increased their dividend by 7.69% to $1.68 per year. So overall, Google Finance is still not loading these numbers properly. And I don't know why. It's just like they totally wiped them out off of Google Finance. I don't know why. And then there's other ones down here that are wrong that say, like, PCI says the current share price is 81 cents, which it obviously is not. Anyways, I've deposited nothing, but I've increased my yearly income this week by 18 cents thanks to that increase from ARCC. Overall, we're making $157.04 a year or $13.09 a month, giving us an overall return of 10.43%. And that's all I got because there's been no other activity on the portfolio. See you in the next video.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.